Hi everybody, I'm coming on real quick to do an unboxing here. This is a pass-along box that was started by Arkansas Woodcutters, and it has been making its way from one creator to another. The idea is you take out what you want to keep from the box, you add things to the box, and you send it along to another creator. So my friend Tina from the YouTube channel Simply Tina was the last one that got it, and she sent it to me, and she included a card that says, "Sally, thank you for joining in on this care package exchange. During this time, giving and receiving love is so important. Wishing you health and happiness. Love, Tina." And also inside is an envelope that has a list of all of the channels who've participated so far. So it started with Arkansas Woodcutter. It went to Homestead Aquarius. That's Arkansas Woodcutter. He originated it. Voonchick, Fireball Fred, Leanne Michelle, Simply Tina, and now me. And I will be adding some things to this box, and I will send it along to Jason at Swag Saltwater Action Gear, and I'll be adding some things in that maybe he would like to take out, and then he'll put some things in and choose the next recipient, and it'll be on its way again. So let's see what's in here. Lots and lots of tissue. And Tina is in Canada. I don't know what they do when a box comes from Canada to the United States, but this box is really beat. So I will also be putting this into a new, sturdier, less beat up box before I send it along to Jason. So we have a package of lens and screen cleaning wipes, a package of miscellaneous makeup brushes, and I'm not going to take everything. If it's in a package, I'm not going to take it out because it may not be something that I'm going to keep, so we'll just keep it intact. We have some makeup remover cleansing cloths. I'm sure these are from Tina, as well as the makeup brushes. This is an eyeshadow palette from Nightingale called Pretty Vulgar. Has some really gorgeous colors. This will be staying with me. Thanks, Tina. We have a flower pot and some seeds. Melon seeds and marigold seeds. We have a cap, Turkstra Lumber Company. You can see the little Canadian flag, so we know that's also from Tina. I believe she and her husband both work for a lumber company, so there's a cap. Nice cap. There's a pair of disposable rubber gloves. There is, this is also going to be from Tina, I'm sure, a nice work apron with a whole slew of carpenter's pencils inside. I think I might keep a couple of those for myself and send the rest along with the apron. That's a nice apron if you do woodworking or have a workshop. That's a really nice thing to have. A roll of toilet paper, and you know what, guys? I'm going to put it back in here, but I think this has been traveling for a while. And so Swag, if you decide that it's time for this to go, I think that everybody would be fine with you just giving it the heave-ho, because we can all get toilet paper now. I think this box started back when Corona first started and toilet paper was scarce as hen's teeth, but I know I have a really decent supply, so I think, you know, you can get toilet paper again. So this one might have to go. It's just a little, I don't think anybody's probably going to use it. We have some cotton balls, and we have several masks. There's a piece of felt, pretty blue felt. I think maybe it goes with the yarn, not sure. There's a crochet hook and some really pretty yarn in here. It's a Karen Simply Soft Paints, blue and green and purple colorway. And we have some wax melts, strawberries and cream in the cubes, and then the little cakes from Yankee Candle. That's Honey Crisp Apple Cider, and this one is Autumn Wreath. So if you use a melt pot, those will work for you. And there's a deck of cards, playing cards, jumbo playing cards. There's a Uno deck. And there's a box of 24 Crayola crayons. So those might all be fun for somebody's kids. We have a $15 gift card for Kroger grocery store. I think Jason told me, I asked him if there was a Kroger near him. He said there are other stores that are owned by Kroger. I can't really see what this says very well. But Jason, if you can use it, take it out and use it. Otherwise, send it along and somebody else might be able to use it. And we have some tea and instant coffee. I think that came out of here. There's a whole package of like sugar and Splenda, and I'll just put that back in there. This would be like, all the rest of this is like good for camping and so forth. This is all the like ready to eat meals, and this is a beverage powder, fruit punch beverage powder, a tropical punch beverage base powder. Yeah, it says add it to a canteen. This is a energy bar, apple cinnamon energy bar. This is peanut butter. Some dehydrated onions. And vegetarian taco pasta. I think this is like one of the meals ready to eat thingies. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. I'm going to, like I said, repack it in another box. I'll take a couple things out, add a couple things, and send it along to Swag. So thank you to Arkansas Woodcutter for starting this, and everybody else for participating. And Swag, you're up next. So thanks for joining me. Thanks to all the channels who are participated so far. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.